So we have this product sent by a company, KAIWEETS. It's AC Voltage Detector. This is the style like a pen. It looks really, looks really good actually. Feels sturdy. Now it's a pen style. Here you can put your batteries. It comes with two AAA batteries. Also the menu instructions, so many different languages, and I already installed two, but I'm gonna show you how it looks. Just put two little batteries, AAA batteries, and just like a flashlight. Remember the flashlights? Nobody uses flashlights, but right now everybody has access to these voltage testers. Press and hold this button, it's on, and you can swap to sensitive mode by pressing this button like that. Now if you want to activate the flashlight, it comes with a flashlight. Press and hold this button. It does have a bright flashlight there. Now we have here access our power line. Okay, we are going to swap. This is sensitive mode. This is standard or normal mode. Look how convenient. You using the flashlight is good. Now it's not in sensitive mode. As you can see, we plug it in this line. This hole and slot is not working, but if you put it right here, it detects power, and here nothing. Now if we swap to sensitive mode, now it should detect. See there? But it's not going to work in every case because some wires or cables does have a thick insulation. Now you can see it works on both sides because it's the power line is exposed. There you can see it. It detects. This is actually a good tool if you're working at home, if you want to see what's going on with your connections. See a close. The LCD display is really good, bright. I'm gonna turn off this, and it's a really cool product. Check the link in the description. It's must have for electricians or for any small projects at home.